Good morning, students. Let's see SAS triangle construction today. First question of exercise 10.3. It is construct triangle DEF such that DE 5 cm, DF 3 cm and measure angle EDF 90 degree. See, first make rough diagram like this. See the figure. Now let's start our construction. Draw a line segment DE of measure 5 cm. Let's draw here DF first, 3 cm. Okay, according to the rough figure. Draw DF of length 3 cm. Now, we'll construct angle D of 90 degree. See here, for that we will produce DE to its opposite side. You know how to construct angle of 90 degree, right angle. At point D, draw a ray DX to make an angle of 90 degree, angle XDF. See this we are making here 90 degree angle. You all know this, how to construct a right angle. You can do this using protractor also. Now join this point with D with the help of ruler and pencil, and then our right angle is ready. Now after constructing angle XDF equal to 90 degree, along DX set off DE equal to 5 cm along DX. Now we have to take the distance or radius of 5 cm in our compass. 5 cm. Okay, set the distance 5 cm and then draw an arc with center D and radius 5 cm to get point E. Now join EF and our triangle DEF is ready, which is the required right angled triangle. So this is SAS triangle construction. First question of exercise 10.3. Write the side lengths 5 cm. And this is already 90 degree angle. So this way you have to construct this triangle. Okay, let's see now second question. Construct an isosceles triangle in which length of each of its equal side is 6.5 cm and the angle between them is 110 degree. One isosceles triangle we have to construct here in which two equal sides have length 6.5 cm and angle between them is 110 degree. So construct a rough diagram first like this. Triangle ABC, see here, angle A 110 and two equal sides have length 6.5 cm. Here suppose AB and AC both have length 6.5 centimeter. So let's start our construction. Draw a line segment of length 6.5 centimeter. See, steps are given here, steps of construction. You can go through the steps, read the steps, and you can construct the triangle easily. Draw a line segment of length 6.5 centimeter. Name it as AB. Of length 6.5 centimeter. Now after this, at point A, draw a ray AX to make an angle of 110 degree. You see, 110 degree, we'll construct or draw this angle with the help of D or protector, which we call. So with the help of protector, we'll draw here angle A of measure 110 degree. Now again AC is also having the length 6.5 centimeter. So take radius 6.5 centimeter in compass, which is equal to AB, and then draw an arc of 6.5 centimeter with center A and radius 6.5. Okay, draw an arc to get point C. Now join BC, and then our triangle ABC is ready, which is our required triangle. This is SES triangle construction. Length of two sides and one included angle is given here. So this way you can construct the given triangle. Okay, write this side length 6.5 centimeter. Again AC 6.5 centimeter. Then after this, we will see question number 3. Construct triangle ABC with BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter, AC is equal to 5 centimeter, and measure angle C is equal to 60 degree. Angle C measures 60 degree. Length of two sides BC is 5 centimeter, AC is 5 centimeter. So let's draw here first a rough diagram of triangle ABC. See here, BC 7.5 centimeter, base of triangle, angle C measures 60 degree, AC 5 centimeter. Through rough diagram, you can get idea easily how to construct the given triangle. So first, we will draw a line segment BC of length 7.5 centimeter. And then angle C of 60 degree. So see here, steps of construction. First step is draw a line segment BC having the measure 7.5 centimeter. So with the help of ruler and pencil, we'll draw first line segment BC. And the next step is at point C, draw a ray CX to make an angle of 60 degree. Angle XCB is equal to 60 degree. After drawing its base, we will draw angle XCB equal to 60 degree. Along CX, set of AC is equal to 5 centimeter. Third step, and then join AB. Then we'll get our required triangle ABC. So let's do this. Let's start with the base BC 7.5 centimeter. Again SAS triangle construct.